County in north central Illinois.
Yo, what the hell?
Central Illinois until 1:15 p.m. At 11:58 a.m., severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from near Polo to near Rock Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Rochelle, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Polo, Davis Junction, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Creston, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Lee and Stewart. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 83 and 114. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 82. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, Sauk Valley College, and White Pine State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yo, hold on.
Weather radio, West North G536 in DeKalb.
Yo, I need to check some. Yo, if that's destructive, that's gonna be bad.
Station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Kane, and Lee counties. Standard broadcasts will
Okay, so we're
bring you
good.
the
We're
latest
good.
severe weather information. This is NOAA
God,
Weather Radio, W North G536
No, you don't know
in
what the
DeKalb.
what.
Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will
Focus.
broadcast severe weather alarm
Focus.
tones for
Focus.
Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Kane, and
Focus.
Lee counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 12:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north central Illinois, Lee County in north central Illinois,